How to choose legacy contact on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to choose legacy contact on Facebook Lite. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook, and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, and then click personal and account information, and now just click this one, account ownership and control, and then click memorialization settings and choose a legacy contact, and now just type here any friend you want or anything and click search and choose it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.